A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are one of the most important parts of speech in English. Every sentence needs at least one noun to make complete sense. There are four main types of nouns. People nouns name persons or animals, such as teacher or dog. Places nouns name locations, like city or park. Things nouns name objects or items, for example book or car. Ideas nouns name thoughts or feelings, such as freedom or happiness. Here are some simple examples of nouns. Teacher is a noun naming a person. City is a noun naming a place. Apple is a noun naming a thing. Dog is a noun naming an animal. Park is a noun naming a place. Car is a noun naming a thing. These are all common nouns that you use every day. Common nouns name general people, places, or things. For example, city, cat, and teacher are common nouns. Proper nouns name specific people, places, or things. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. London is a proper noun because it names a specific city. Whiskers is a proper noun because it names a specific cat. Mr. Smith is a proper noun because it names a specific person. Countable nouns are things you can count. You can say 1 apple, 2 apples, or 3 apples. Uncountable nouns are things you cannot count easily. For example, water, sugar, and music are uncountable. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms. You can say 1 book or many books. Uncountable nouns usually do not have a plural form. You cannot say waters or sugars in normal English. Countable nouns include apple, book, chair, and dog. These are things you can count. Uncountable nouns include water, sugar, music, and air. These are things you cannot count easily. Remember, understanding countable and uncountable nouns helps you use the correct grammar when speaking and writing English. Abstract nouns name ideas, qualities, or feelings that cannot be touched or seen. Love, courage, and happiness are abstract nouns. Concrete nouns name things you can see, touch, or measure. Chair, tree, and dog are concrete nouns. Abstract nouns are more difficult to understand because they describe things you cannot see. Concrete nouns are easier to understand because they describe things you can physically touch or see. Nouns name people, places, things, or ideas. They can be common or proper, countable or uncountable, and abstract or concrete. Understanding nouns helps you build strong sentences and communicate clearly in English. Practice identifying nouns in sentences, and you will become more confident in using English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.